Hello, friends. Welcome to part 3 of our OL lesson. For this part, you will need your L paper out of your envelope. Looks like this. And you will need your box of crayons out of your box. And a regular pencil out of your box. We will draw some pictures that begin with OL. So the first part of this is to look at the capital L, which is the uppercase L, and the lowercase l. The capital L and the lowercase l, do they look the same? No, they don't look the same. They don't look exactly the same, but they do look similar. Why do they look similar? Well, because they both have a line going from the top line to the baseline, but the capital L has an extra line going to the right. So they look similar, but they do not look the same, but they are still the same letter. It is the letter L, and L says OL. So let's trace the capital L. First thing we need to do is pick up our pencil, add a shelf. Top line to the baseline, to the right. OL. L, top line to the baseline. Today, we are going to draw a lemon. Please open your box. What color is a lemon? Yes, a lemon is yellow. Please draw right below your L. You're going to draw a rainbow line. Oops. Like this. Do you see my rainbow line? Starting here, we're going to draw a smile line connecting the beginning of the rainbow line to the end of the rainbow line. And then we're going to add like some yellow dots because lemons kind of have like little holes. And then we know lemons are yellow, so we're going to lightly put our finger on the top. There we go. There's our lemon. Now we're going to label the lemon. We're going to spell the word lemon. Now, we know that lemon begins with the sound OL. How many syllables in the word lemon? Well, Miss Beth, what is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word. We can break our words into syllables, like this. Lemon, lam, on. Can you do that with me? Clap the syllables or the parts in lemon. Lam, on. Now, the first syllable is lem. Now we're going to finger spell lem with our helper hand. Our dominant hand has our pencil, our regular pencil, and our helper hand is going to finger spell. And we're going to use our thumb first and put it on the table. And we're going to say all the sounds in the first syllable. Lem, O, eh, There are 3 sounds in the first syllable. O, eh, Now, do your best because we have not learned how to form all these letters, so just watch and try to make them like me. OL, top line to the baseline. OL, looks like this. Looks like this. OL, That is our first syllable. Lem, on. Ah, looks like this. Lemon. We spelled the word lemon and we labeled our picture. Next, we are going to make a lion. Lions are usually brown. Please get out your brown. Below the word lemon, we're going to make a circle. We're only making the lion's head. Next, you're going to put your finger on the top and very lightly you're going to color your your lion's face going from one side to the other side with long strokes. Next, lions have ears and they're pointy and on the top of their head. So we're going to make a triangle on top. Come over here, up and back down. Another triangle and color those in. Now I'm going to put my brown to the side because I know I'm going to use it again and get out my black. Where is my black? There it is. I'm going to make two eyes. And then I'm going to make a triangle nose. So I'm going to make a line here and a line coming down and another line coming down there. Next, I'm going to color in that triangle. Start here at the bottom of your triangle and make a curved line going that way. Go back to your starting point, make a curved line going that way. Now lions have whiskers. And on the other side. And then this could be a female lion or a girl, but we're going to make a male lion. And male lions or boy lions have manes. So I'm going to put my black back and use my brown, and I'm going to make a mane. I'm going to make hair coming all the way around, making zigzag lines going all the way around his face. And there is my lion. How does your lion look? Awesome. Now we're going to write the word lion. We're going to label our lion. How many syllables or parts in lion? Lion. Yes, 2 parts. Let's finger spell the first part. O-I. First sound, O. I. Lie. Lie on. Ah-n. Ah. Looks like that. Now we spelled the word lion. L says O, like lemon and lion. Nice work. Please make sure your pencil goes back in your package and your package goes back in your box. Please close your crayon box. Put your crayon box back in your box and put your paper back in your folder. Put your paper back in your folder. That way, when you come on Friday, we will see your work. Thank you, friends, for joining me, and enjoy the rest of your day.